shop, we're going to talk a little bit about the motor that's going into this white 2J over here. You know, it's stock block, stock head. God, guys threw the purse at it, to say the least. We'll start at the top. Powerhouse Racing billet valve covers, some top of the line cams that we put in here. I guess I shouldn't say we, because the motor came to us built. Running the Plasma Man intake with dual injectors. We're running 1700s for kind of putting around, idling, whatnot, and then 2600s when it makes boost. 97 mil throttle body, working our way down. We have the oiling system from Titan. This is the whole dry sump system. It has a tank and everything else. We can put oil to what we need to when we need it. Stuff of that nature. Titan balancer. Motor's going to be hard mounted. That's what these and this is for. Gets rid of some vibration, stuff like that. We're running a Precision 88 mil. It's a PTE turbo, and then Powerhouse Racing's manifold. It's twin 44 mil gates. 5-inch downpipe. Thing's massive. We can barely get it in and out without any issues. You know, on the inside of the motor, it's ARPs top to bottom, billet pistons, billet rods, and I believe it's stock crank. We're going to see if we make probably the high end of 1600 on this motor, running around on 1200 for funds and whatnot. So, car's going to be on a turbo 400, fuel cell, mechanical pump, you name it, it's probably got it. So, see how it goes.
Basically have to like remove all the material around all the seams and then just do some spot welds all around, and then we will clean where the horns of the frame rails match up to the firewall unibody structure, do some tack welds along here as well, and then we're going to go ahead and clean the bottom of the frame rails where idiots have crushed the frame rails. And we're hoping to get this thing into paint by tomorrow so we can go ahead and get the motor and tranny back in the car.